Welcome to Curious Kids Every Day. I'm Josh. How are you doing today? It's so good to hear from you. Hey, I've got a question. Are you hungry right now? What happens when you get really hungry? Have you ever heard your stomach make this sound? It almost sounds like your tummy is growling at you. Like it's saying, "Hey, please, give me some food." Why does your tummy growl when you're hungry? Is it really trying to talk to you? What's going on? Well, I looked it up. That rumbling sound in your belly has a funny name. It's called borborygmus. Borborygmus. Can you say that? Borborygmus. Borborygmus. Can you say it 5 times fast? Borborygmus, 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 borborygmus. That's a really funny word. Did you know that your stomach growls whether it's empty or full? So why do we notice it more when we're hungry? Well, your stomach and intestines are always moving. That's part of your digestive system. And their job is to squeeze and push food along through your body. These squeezes are called peristalsis. Can you say peristalsis? Peristalsis is the squeeze your body does to keep the food you've eaten continually moving along inside of you. But even when there's no food inside, your stomach and intestines still practice these moves, kind of like a warm-up before it's go time. When your stomach is empty, there's more air and gas bouncing around inside. So as your belly muscles squeeze and gurgle, those air pockets move too, and that's what makes the rumbling sound we hear as a growl. It's kind of like squeezing a balloon with a little bit of air in it. It makes a noise. Can you fill your mouth with air right now? Puff up your cheeks. Now squeeze your cheeks. Did you hear a funny sound? That's like a stomach growl. Your brain actually helps trigger this process. After a few hours without food, your brain sends a signal to your digestive system to start cleaning up and getting ready for more food. The growling is your body's way of saying, "Let's get ready to eat." So it's really not your body telling you, "Hey, let's eat something." It's more like your body saying, "Okay, so normally, by now, we're eating again, so let's just get ready for that process to start." And here's something wild. Your stomach can growl even when you're asleep. That's how hard your body works behind the scenes to keep everything moving smoothly. So the next time your belly growls, don't worry, it's not being rude. It's just doing its job and getting your attention. Okay, we talked about some really big words today. Let's have a quick quiz and see if we can remember what they are. What is the scientific name for a stomach growl? I'll give you 2 options. Is it borborygmus or is it peristalsis? Yep, it's borborygmus. Okay, and then what's the squeezing movement in your belly called? Yes, that one is peristalsis. Here's one more. Why do we hear growling more when we're hungry? Because your stomach is emptier and there's more air. Let's play true or false. True or false? Your stomach only growls when you're hungry. False. Your stomach will always growl. It's just easier to hear it when your stomach is empty. True or false? Your brain tells your stomach to get ready for food. That is true. True or false? The stomach stops working while you sleep. False. Stomach is always working, even when you sleep. True or false? Growling means something is wrong. False. In fact, growling means everything is working just fine. Would you rather have a talking belly that politely says, "I'm hungry"? Or would you rather have a belly that sings a song every time you need a snack? Can you think of a song that your belly might sing if you needed a snack? Snack, snack, give me a snack. I'm about to have a snack attack. I think I would rather my tummy politely ask me for a snack. I'm hungry. That would be better. I don't want my stomach singing every time it wants something. I don't think that's a good idea. At least for me. Maybe you would like something different. Okay, I've got a fun game. This is called Can You Eat It? Let's play. Can you eat it? Are you ready? Carrots. Of course. Glue. No. Pizza. Of course. Toilet paper. No. Cereal? Yes. A phone. Ooh, no. Bread? Yes. A picnic table? Nope. But the food you put on the picnic table? Yes. Always check with a grown-up before you start eating something new. So now you know, when your belly talks, it's just your body's way of keeping things moving and getting ready for more food. It's totally normal, and actually, it's kind of cool how much work your stomach does, even when it's empty. What kind of question do you think we'll ask tomorrow on Curious Kids Every Day? I can't wait to find out. So until then, keep asking questions and stay curious, kids. And for all the grown-ups listening, please tell other grown-ups to check out the show and visit CuriousKidsEveryday.com to get a free printable with activity ideas that don't involve screens. Those are the best kinds of adventures to have. That's CuriousKidsEveryday.com. See you tomorrow.